What's going on, everybody? This is MrSettin007. So I'm trying to diagnose my convertible top, why it's not going all the way down. So I'm just gonna kind of try and put it through the motions, and I'm gonna show you what was the reason. Alright, so you can see it's not going any further through the motions. The top is stuck here, and this is the reason. So I know a lot of the times the micro switches aren't working. I had changed this one in a previous video. You can check that out. So as you look behind here, there's something missing. Here, this has a micro switch that has a clip down here, and for some reason it fell off. One of my other videos, when I was doing putting the top down via the remote, then it stopped working towards the end of the video. I had no idea this was the reason why it stopped working. So you see that there's a micro switch connected to this, and this needs to be extended as this goes up to now identify and let the system know that this is up, and now it can continue its movement. So let's see if it continues or if I have to start over. So if you're having issues, you want to make sure you check your micro switches. There are different locations throughout. There's another video for that. Hopefully this helps somebody. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'm happy, so I went through and changed quite a few of the cylinders. I'm going to try and upload that. I'm kind of going backwards with this car. I did a lot of work in the beginning. Like and subscribe. Thank you for my current subscribers. Continue to watch. Share the videos as well, and thank you guys. I'm glad everything works.